Welcome to WebSegy tutorial. Go to the SEG-Y section. Click on Upload a new SEG-Y, select a file from your device and then the Save button. The file will be uploaded in a few seconds. After completion, go back to the SEG-Y Files section. Click on Edit button, and then choose the correct values for the SEG-Y reader. Click the Save button to apply changes. The Map option will generate a plot with each SEG-Y trace position. This option will fail if SEG-Y properties are not set correctly. What values are in the SEG-Y file can be observed with histogram. SEGY extremers are also available. SEG-Y Viewer is available on the View button. Here you can resize the plot, and move along SEG-Y inlines. Let me show you how to operate with it. You can try it too. We have free data waiting to be examined and tested. And now, back to the SEG-Y Files section and the main purpose of WebSegy. The New Mesh button will open a dialog menu to set up surface extraction. You can choose a transformation and filters. For this example we will use arithmetic average filter with stencil 2 by 2 by 2. Then we have to set the level of the extraction. For this tutorial we will use 0.51. The Save button will start a surface extraction. The surface extraction task will take a few seconds. In the Meshes section, you can view the extracted mesh. Initial meshes are big, so it will take some time to load the full mesh. Now you can rotate, zoom and pan the mesh. Go back to the Meshes section. The Optimize button is now available. Click on it. Choose how many optimize iterations to be executed. Each step will take a few minutes. You can monitor your progress by click on the Progress button. The optimization cycle is finished when the Optimized button becomes available. The numbers in the brackets are the triangles in each mesh. Go to the optimized mesh. Now you can rotate, zoom and pan the optimized mesh. This mesh is ready for FEM computations. You can disable or enable lines, triangles and points on demand, using the buttons over the canvas. Slicing the mesh with inline is available. With this option you can inspect which cells from the original SEG-Y are covered by the mesh. Try WebSegy for free at PPResearch.com. We are open for questions and discussions anytime. Thank you for watching.